Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless 23-gauge pin nailers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the Link-Null Electric Nail Gun, a versatile cordless pin nailer designed for smaller decorative projects and light woodworking tasks. This nail gun comes fully loaded with 2 batteries, a charger, and even 3,600 nails, making it an incredible value for those looking to dive straight into their projects. The low nail indicator ensures you won't accidentally mark your workpiece, while the LED light allows for precise nailing even in dimly lit environments. With a magazine capacity of 140 nails and compatibility ranging from 3/8 to 1 3/8, this pin nailer fits a variety of needs. Its build quality is solid, though a bit on the heavier side at 11.82 pounds, which may be a consideration for extended use. The ergonomic rubber handle and adjustable belt hook provide comfort during operation, and the depth adjustment feature ensures precision with every shot. The safety system is touch-sensitive, preventing accidental firing, an essential feature for beginners and professionals alike. However, its bulkier size may make it less convenient for tight spaces compared to more compact models. The Link-Null pin nailer is ideal for paneling, cabinetry, picture frames, and other lightweight projects. Its biggest advantage is the comprehensive kit that includes everything you need to get started. The pros include excellent value with included accessories and reliable performance for light-duty tasks. On the downside, its heavier weight and slightly limited compatibility with professional-grade trim work might not appeal to everyone. At number 3 is the Makita XTP02Z 18V LXT pin nailer. Makita is known for its reliability, and this tool is no exception. Featuring a refined firing mechanism that reduces recoil, the XTP02Z is engineered to deliver a smooth and precise finish. It drives 6 different lengths of pin nails, ranging from 5/8 to 1 3/8. Making it versatile for various applications. Its anti-dry fire mechanism prevents damage to your work surface, while the toolless depth adjustment feature allows for flush and countersink finishes with ease. The XTP02Z weighs 4 pounds and offers a sleek, ergonomic design. It's lightweight enough for extended use without causing fatigue, and the build quality is robust and durable, adhering to Makita's reputation for professional-grade tools. However, this is a bare tool, meaning batteries are not included, which could be a drawback for first-time buyers. Performance-wise, it delivers consistent results across different materials, although it doesn't accept 1 1/4-inch pin nails, which limits compatibility slightly. This pin nailer is perfect for professional trim carpenters seeking precision and reliability, but is also suitable for DIYers who already own Makita's 18V LXT battery system. Pros include smooth operation, lightweight design, and Makita's trusted build quality. Cons are the lack of included batteries and slightly limited nail compatibility. Taking the number 2 spot is the Metabo HPT 18-volt multi-volt cordless pin nailer kit, the budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on features. This nailer drives up to 2,700 pins per charge using the included compact 18-volt 2.0 amp-hour battery, making it a reliable choice for extended projects. The mechanical spring drive ensures consistent power, and the fine-tip nose design allows for precise nailing into grooves, perfect for trim work and small decorative tasks. Rubber bumpers protect both the tool and your work surface from damage, while the dry fire lockout feature prevents misfires. Weighing just 3.6 pounds, this pin nailer is one of the lightest options on our list, and its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The LED light is a nice touch, illuminating your workspace for added accuracy. The double trigger safety mechanism and belt hook add convenience and safety to the user experience. While its build quality is solid, it's not as robust as some of the premium models, which might be noticeable in heavy-duty applications. The Metabo HPT is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want a reliable pin nailer for small to medium-sized projects. Its 5-year warranty adds peace of mind, making it a great value proposition. The pros include lightweight design, excellent runtime, and affordability, while the cons are slightly lower build quality compared to higher-end models. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt Pin Nailer CMPCT20V23G, the premium option that delivers unparalleled performance and convenience. Part of DeWalt's Atomic Compact series, this pin nailer features a high-output brushless motor capable of driving 23-gauge pin nails from 5/8 to 1.5 in length. With cordless convenience, you can say goodbye to hoses, compressors, and gas cartridges, making this tool perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The low nail lockout system with an LED indicator ensures you'll never fire blanks, while the tool-free jam release and depth adjustment features make operations seamless. At 4.47 pounds, this nailer strikes a balance between weight and durability, offering a comfortable grip and solid build quality. It delivers up to 2,000 nails per charge, making it a powerhouse for finish, trim, and remodeling work. The compact design is perfect for tight spaces, and the LED indicator adds precision to every shot. While it's the most expensive option on our list, the performance and features justify the price, especially for those looking for a long-term investment in their toolkit. The DeWalt Pin Nailer CMPCT20V23G is ideal for professionals who demand reliability and performance for heavy-duty applications. Its pros include excellent runtime, advanced features, and premium build quality. The only con is the higher price point, but it's well worth it for serious users who want the best. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.